Hi, I'm Janice Florent, Technology Coordinator in the Center for the Advancement of Teaching and Faculty Development. I've created this video to explain how we set up the assignment submission folders that Sister Juliana uses to collect the concert reports in her music appreciation class. Sister Juliana created this two-page document with the concert report assignment instructions. Each student is required to submit 5 concert reports. We want to create a separate assignment submission folder for each of the 5 concert report types, and the student will be required to submit their concert report to the appropriate submission folder. To make the course easy for the students to navigate, we need to make sure that the assignment instructions and grading rubric are readily available to the student. We'll start by uploading the concert report assignment instructions into a module in the content area. Click on Content in the nav bar. I have a concert reports module that I created already. I will upload the concert report assignment instructions into the module. Notice I can drag and drop a file directly into the module. I click on Bulk Edit, which allows me to add a description to the assignment instructions. Click Update to save those changes. And when I'm finished, I click on Done Editing. The benefit of uploading the assignment instructions as a file in this module is that it will allow me to create a quick link to these instructions when I create the assignment submission folders. Next, I will create the assignment submission folders. In the nav bar, click on Activities and then click on Assignments. We'll click on the New Assignment button, and the first assignment submission folder is instrumental, either single or ensemble. You would put the assignment instructions in this text box. Note, posting multiple copies of assignment instructions in multiple places is an invitation to trouble because there isn't necessarily a correlation between them. When there's a change to the assignment instructions, you would have to remember to make edits everywhere you posted the information or risk giving students conflicting information. We can use quick links to attach to files that we've already uploaded to the course. And you recall in an earlier step, we uploaded the concert report instructions. And so to insert a quick link, I'm going to highlight concert report form because that's the link that I want to create. I click on the insert quick link, and then that assignment instructions is here in our course files. So I click on course files, and the file that I want to link to is the credit performance report. So when the students click on this link now, it would actually take them to that file. I also want to include instructions on how to submit assignments for any students who may not know how to do this. And there is a video that I can link to, so I can use a quick link for that as well. I click on Insert Quick Links, and I'm going to make this quick link go to a URL. So all I have to do is paste in that URL or put the URL in. I do want this to open in a new window. I click on Insert. In this case, I'm also going to add the assignment instructions as an attachment. I click on Add Attachment. It is going to be from a file. Remember, the assignment instructions are in the course, so I'm going to click on Course Offering Files. I find that it is the Credit Performance Report. I click the checkbox and then click Add. So now that this is also linked to that same file. As I continue to set up this assignment submission folder, I need to indicate that this is in fact an individual assignment. My submission type, I do want the students to submit a file, so I will leave that as file submission. I also want them to be able to upload an unlimited number of files just in case they have the concert report in one file and maybe a picture of their ticket or program in another. So I will leave that unlimited. I want to be able to keep all submissions, everything that the student submits. Um, and this category would be is if I am trying to categorize the assignment submission folders. Since the only assignment submission folders that will be in this course are going to be related to the concert reports, I don't have to enter a category. This is going to be worth 20 points. And here is where I connect this to the grade item that I created in the grade book. So this concert report is the instrumental. And so I will select concerts instrumental, meaning connect this to that gradebook item. I also want to include the rubric because I would like to grade by the rubric. So I click the Add Rubric button. And here is my concert report rubric. And when grading, I do want to be able to make annotations on the concert reports that the students submit. So this checkbox is here. I will leave it there. And then I need to click Save. I will go to the Restrictions tab because here I need to uncheck this so that this submission folder is not hidden uh, to the students. And then I would include a due date. This was due April 29th at 1 p.m. And that's all I need on the Restrictions tab. So at this point, I can click Save and New to create my next assignment submission folder. So you see it returns me here, and then all I have to do is continue and create the other 4 assignment submission folders the same way. I've created all 5 of my assignment submission folders, and I can tell this little icon here indicates that it is tied to a grade item in the grade book, and when I let it rest, I can tell exactly which column it's tied to. The last thing that I want to do is link to each of these assignment submission folders as a topic in my content area. So I would go to the nav bar and click on Content. I just happen to be in my Concert Reports module. And as I said, I'd like to add each of those assignment submission folders as a topic here in this module. And I would do that by going to Existing Activities, to Assignments, and then I would choose them one at a time. So the first one is Instrumental, either single or ensemble. And notice that that information is linked now, and the actual assignment instructions show up here for the students as well. And all I have to do is just repeat this process to select the others. My concert reports module now contains all 5 of the assignment submission folders along with the instructions. And so because I have everything linked, for example, if I needed to make a change to the assignment instructions, I can come here to the file that I uploaded and notice there's an option here to change file. So this makes it easy to make changes. Everything is linked, and the assignment submission folders, everything is all ready to go. Looking ahead to next semester, Sister Juliana will be able to copy the entire Music Appreciation course into her empty Brightspace course shell for next semester. This will save time in setting up next semester's course. Having the instructions linked to the assignment submission folders will make it easier to update the assignment instructions after the course copy, as she will update the instructions file instead of having to update instructions in 5 assignment submission folders.